In today's video, we're going to be talking about the 10 reasons to pick up the brand new Galaxy Tab A11 Plus. Let's talk about it. All right, everyone, in this video, we're going to be talking about the 10 reasons to pick up the Galaxy Tab A11 Plus. The Galaxy Tab A11 Plus came out earlier this month, and of course, everybody is finally figuring out that this is now out at bestbuy.com, on amazon.com, and a bunch of other retailers right now for about $250 for the base model. Of course, we have another model that's about $310, which gives you 2 more gigabytes of RAM and double the storage, so you guys can go ahead and choose or pick up that one as well. But everybody knows the Galaxy Tab A11 Plus is finally out. And in this video, we're going to be talking about the 10 reasons to pick up this device, because I think there are many different reasons to pick this up. And I think this is a very, very solid tablet. So solid, in fact, that I am not going to be making a video about 10 or 5 reasons to not pick up this device, because I just think there are not enough reasons to not pick this up. And if you guys are in the market to pick up a new tablet and you guys don't want to break the bank, I think this is an excellent tablet for the price tag. And if you want, you guys can go ahead and tap the display, and there should be a shopping link right there that you guys can go straight through YouTube to either bestbuy.com or whatever other website it brings you to actually go ahead and pick up this tablet. And if you do use that link, I do get a little bit of a kickback, and it always helps out the channel, so I do appreciate you using those links. All right, everyone, so the first reason is going to be we have a solid camera performance on here, and obviously this isn't going to be the greatest camera in the world, and we're going to throw some pictures up here for you guys, but these are some of the pictures that I took on the Galaxy Tab A11 Plus, and honestly, I was pleasantly surprised. I wasn't thinking that I was going to get anything mid-range or flagship level as far as the tablet camera on this device, but I was pleasantly surprised. We have some great colors, great contrast, and in the correct lighting conditions, you really can get some decent photos out here. And I did find myself taking some photos throughout my time with this tablet, and honestly, it did a good job. I needed to send a picture of my passport to my girlfriend, and I was on the tablet at the time, and I just took a picture with that, and it was totally fine. So, you know, if you're around the house and you need to scan a document, take a picture of something, you're with your dog, you're hanging out or whatever, you know, because we're usually not taking this tablet outside, maybe on a road trip with a kid or something like that, but most of the time you're going to have this at your pad and you're not really going to be taking it out of the house, and it's pretty solid for what it is, honestly. Next reason to pick up this device is because we still have the headphone jack. Many people out there, many audiophiles specifically, want this headphone jack so they can use their triple driver earbuds or their quad driver earbuds or whatever that's called. And it's really nice to see that Samsung, for the budget people out there or the budget tablet buyers out there, they left that 3.5 millimeter headphone jack for us. Absolutely love to see that there. Great to see it. I really don't have any other things to say about this other than it's just super convenient. If you guys don't have wireless earbuds, or if you just don't want to use wireless earbuds at the moment, you always have the second option to go ahead and do that, and you don't have to use a dongle to plug in your darn earbuds in 2026. So great to see that here on the Galaxy Tab A11 Plus. Next reason has to be that we have One UI version 8.0 and Android version 16, as you guys can see. So we have the latest Android software on this tablet, as well as 7 years of operating system updates. So if you guys don't want to have to upgrade your tablet every single year, Samsung has you covered with almost a decade of software updates on this device. Amazing stuff to see on here. Even if you don't, save this tablet for 7 years or whatever, even 4 or 5 years of software updates is great to see. It's just a great thing to see that we have software support and they're not leaving us in the dark ages as the years progress. So absolutely another reason to pick up this device. Next reason has to be that we have 25 watt charging integration in here now instead of 15 watts. Now, as you guys know, with the Galaxy A9 Plus, you may not have known, but it was a little slow to charge that device up from 0 to 100%. So it is great that we get a faster charging rate in the Galaxy Tab A11 Plus. That was a much needed update that I think Samsung absolutely deserves applause for. Great to see 25 watts instead of the terrible 15 watts that we got on the A9 Plus. Speaking about upgrades, we have now the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor inside of here, upgraded from last year's Snapdragon 695 5G. So everything is a lot snappier on this tablet. We got a new processor inside of here. Video games, of course, like Real Racing, Genshin Impact, Asphalt Legends, Call of Duty Mobile are going to play just fine on this tablet. Numbers are pretty good. Benchmark test scored pretty well with this tablet, considering it's $250. I don't have any issues with this processor. I think it's solid, and I think it's even cooler that Samsung did take the time to go ahead and find a new chipset to put inside of here. So great to see we got a better CPU performance in this tablet compared to our 2-year ago Galaxy A9 Plus. Amazing upgrade right there. And we're just going to keep going along the line with the upgrades we got in here. Another upgrade we got inside of here for our base version of the Galaxy A9 Plus is the 6 gigabytes of RAM that they put inside of here compared to the previous A9 Plus's 4 gigabytes of RAM. So we have 2 more gigabytes of RAM now, and guess what? We have double the internal storage in this device as well. So our base model on our A9 Plus only had 64 gigabytes. We now have 128 gigabytes of internal storage on this tablet. Not to mention, I guess I'll just throw this other reason inside of here. We have micro SD card support up to 2 terabytes. So you can hold your videos, you can hold your files, you can hold your photos, all on that SD card inside of here. Great to see that this $250 tablet is able to expand its memory. And the thing is, guys, a bunch of mid-range, $600, even flagship, over $1,000 tablets, they don't have expandable storage, and this $250 one does. So that's a very, very nice addition to the Galaxy Tab A11 Plus. Next reason to pick up this device has to be the exceptional speakers on this device. At the bottom of our tablet right here, we have 2 speakers, and at the top, we have 2 speakers as well. So we have a quad speaker audio on this device, and also we do have Dolby Atmos if you want that surround sound. If you're watching a movie, once you plug in your earbuds or use Bluetooth earbuds, we can go ahead and turn that on. But great to see the exceptional speakers on here. Very, very solid, very loud. I was extremely surprised at how good these were when I booted up the tablet for the first time on YouTube. It's a really, really nice experience, and especially for the people that are going to be gaming on this tablet. You may have a kid that's gaming on this. You're not going to be able to cover up both sides of the tablet. You may be able to cover up 2 speakers with the bottom left and right side, but you still have 2 other speakers right there if you end up doing that. So I just thought that was a very, very nice addition. I think Samsung did a great job on this tablet. I'm not going to show you guys a little example of the speakers. I did it in my unboxing video, but the reason is because it's not going to show you any justice through the microphone that I'm using right now. Just trust me, the speakers on this device are very, very good. You can go into a Best Buy and you can check them out for yourself. Amazing speakers on this device for the price tag. Second and last reason definitely has to be the build quality of this device. This is essentially the same device as the Galaxy A9 Plus. We have the same build. We have, of course, a glass front and all aluminum chassis and back on this device as well. Just feels super premium. This isn't a device that's going to feel like a budget tablet. It's not going to feel like that at all. It's made out of the most premium materials. It's made out of, hard metal. So someone's not going to pick this up and be like, oh, you got a little cheapy tablet or whatever. No, it's made out of good stuff right here. It's going to hold up. It's not going to break into a million pieces when you drop it. So great to see that on this tablet. And last but not least, I think this is the biggest reason to purchase this device. Very, very obvious one right here, but we have a very, very fair price on this device. As you guys know, at bestbuy.com and at amazon.com right now, I'll throw the link in the description down below. And of course, don't forget to click on the YouTube shopping links right there. Those are going to take you directly to the website to actually go ahead and pick up this tablet. But this is, $250, and I'm sure this is going to go on sale later on during the holidays, in the middle of the year, during the summer. We got 4th of July sales, all that type of stuff. So we're going to have some really good sales this year. And at $250, even before all of those sales, I think it is such a fair price for 6 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of internal storage, 25-watt charging, a premium build, a solid screen, some great speakers, more decent processor, and 7 years of operating system updates. I just really don't think you can go wrong with this tablet. Obviously, there are some gripes that I had with this tablet previously, but when I add them all up to the price of this tablet, it honestly doesn't make any sense to gripe and complain about this tablet. It's such a solid device for $249. So those are my 10 reasons to pick up this device. If you guys have your own, I'd love to hear your opinions in the comment section down below. But hopefully you guys have a good rest of your day. This has been Safam from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.